I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 12 and verse 9. It says, to another faith by the same Spirit. My brother, my sister, the same Holy Spirit that's given you the gift of healing, the gift of prophecy, is the same Spirit that gives us faith. My brother, my sister, in this time that we are living in right now, we need to have faith. Jesus says in the book of Matthew chapter 17 and verse 20, from verse 19, it says, then the disciples came to Jesus privately and said, why could we not cast it out? This is when the disciples could not even cast out a demon out of someone. Verse 20, this is what Jesus says. So Jesus said to them, because of your unbelief. For surely I say to you, if you have faith as a mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move, and nothing will be impossible for you. My brother, my sister, we need to have faith. In order for us to do great things, we need to have faith. Jesus says if we just have faith as small as a mustard seed, we can say to this mountain, be removed from here to there, and it will obey. Oh, my brother, my sister, we need to have faith in these last days. It says in 2 Corinthians chapter 4 and verse 13, and since we have the same spirit of faith, we have to have the spirit of faith according to what is written, I believed and therefore I spoke. We also believe and therefore speak. Oh, my brother, my sister, if you and I have faith as small as a mustard seed, whatever we speak, it will come to pass. It will happen. Jesus said it, if we just have faith as small as a mustard seed. Now, a mustard seed is the smallest seed ever. He says, if we just have faith as small as a mustard seed, then we can speak to that mountain. We need to speak to our situation. We need to speak words of life in our situation, my brother and my sister. Let us ask the Holy Spirit to give us the faith as small as a mustard seed, so we can speak into our situation, so that we can believe. Paul says in 2 Corinthians, says, and since we have the same spirit of faith, according to what is written, I believed and therefore spoke. We also believe and therefore speak. So we need to believe and speak. Believe and speak. Let us have that spirit of faith.